Hello sir, this is Kevin from Microsoft Technical Support. We have detected a virus on your computer.
How did you find a virus in my computer?
We have access to a small chip inside your computer where the virus goes. Don't worry, I'll help you.
I am worried. By the way, which computer are you talking about?
The Windows one.
I have a Mac.
Ah yes, sir.
The test of today is to find out that if you happen to be the subject of an abduction by being hidden inside of a fridge, will you actually survive or not? For this, we brought here these items so we can safely verify this procedure. That's why we placed an egg on Toby, so if the egg breaks, that means you're not safe. But if the egg survives, that means you're all okay. So we'll have 3 tests today. The first test will go with 10 kilometers per hour so we can see if all is okay. The second test will take a little bit more speed. And the third one, we'll try braking it with 2 cars so we can see if you're going to actually die or not. Let's see what's the situation now. Okay, this fell off. Ah, but here all is okay. So until now you're totally safe. Let's go.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water.
Okay, now on the second part. Yeah, things are not looking so good now. Apparently, he got hurt. And the fridge got a little bit broken, but still it's okay. At least he didn't fall off, so I think he can go another round.
Hello sir, this is Kevin from Microsoft Technical Support. We have detected a virus on your computer.
How did you find a virus in my computer?
We have access to a small chip inside your computer where the virus goes. Don't worry, I'll help you.
It's empty.
Drink regularly or occasionally?
I drink occasionally, but the occasions comes regularly.
And this is apart from our car. Okay, so we have another problem. The radiator is out. I think the car will remain here.
regularly or occasionally?
I drink occasionally, but the occasions comes regularly.
So I think the test of today was pretty successful, but only if you're not falling out of the fridge. If you're falling out, then you might be in danger. So what do you think? What is your opinion? Would you survive it or not?